Hello Sameers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Qubo app, and I want to add a air purifier for that Qubo app. For that guys, just type Qubo app on the search. I've already installed it. Just click on open here. If not, install this app Qubo. Reimagined homes, comfort, convenience, peace of mind. Click on get started. So you can either log in or create an account. If you have an account, click on login, else click on account. So you have to enter your full name, email address, password, and then confirm password, and then click on I agree with the Qubo TNC, and then click on continue. Once you create an account, it will say you have to verify your email. The verification code has been sent. Open that Gmail account and click on verify. Now it will ask what's your mobile number. Enter the mobile number. OTP will come. Enter the OTP. You'll get OTP verified successfully. Here a number of items are there for Qubo. Only interested in the purifier. So I'm clicking on purifier. Whenever you power your air purifier, you have to check the white light it is blinking or not. Then click on continue. So now it identified a smart air purifier. Now click on that. You have to also select the available Wi-Fi network. You can select a Wi-Fi network from here. As soon as you get an air purifier, you have to remove the cover of the filter, and then you can start it. So now as you can see, it's a smart air purifier is there. So PM 2.5 is 21. So it will try to reduce the PM 2.5 and 20. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.